So I just replaced the old fluoro with the new LED. Okay, no light there at the moment. Let me flick that switch, and you can see change the light. And the light being on, I take my tester and active to neutral. We got power here, but the light isn't working, so dead on arrival. Well, actually not dead on arrival. The neutral wasn't in properly from the manufacturer. So here we go. Ta-da! We got light. So yeah, just because you pick up a fitting new off the shelf doesn't necessarily mean it works first up. Perfect example now that always test what you do and make sure everything's in working order. That light is now up, and I'll give some feedback back to the supplier that there might be an issue. Anyway, you guys have a great day. We'll talk to you next time. Bye.